ubwansu. Mwancho murigereria na gukwanira ndonsia soverete kerobono ngukwaregania semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabono marogoba ekerone areganirie nkomanya senchira yobwenge yandira gutubwatia wetera semitandao ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na baigensemo ya YouTube na bogo tubwatia buna Ndizi TV News na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News kwira nande asegekeke kerbosyo agaran kumanyinga naraliaya na kwareganiria sensa ya bono. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nulia tukubwatara na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta nigatogo chaka asengana yomolembe abwa sabara kanisa bono basegitira banasiasa amana bakenya bonsi kwene kyabuna nkorere baro molembe bosyo bobocholi obonene nigo chinga kicheikire kolengana na baraya bubechi kanisa batebirense ya Kenya eganetia masabo amono molembe anene mono ekerotorochie ase obocholi nigo boigo baburirie banasiasa kulinda chinkwana bagukwana egereti babaisa guturubanania omolembe.
Let us have peaceful elections in whichever area you will be, irrespective of the candidates of your choice. Let election be an act in which all of us want to exercise our freedom, but also exercise in peace. We also pray for unity. Now that the president is about to leave, the tenure is coming to an end, we pray that may the ending be such that he will reconcile with his deputy, so that he will be an example to others in future, and never live with the pain and the agony of what they experienced with his deputy. May they reconcile before the end or before the election time, so that it will be a model and an example for other generations to come.
Hekiombe kiabasae asense ya Kenya ekikimanyekane tebuna Youth for Kenya nigo bono batebire baguchia kubategerera abarwaniriria bekerogo kyuburai bwense asobachole bonene bosyo bachiko bategerera asechi agenda amonechi manifesto chebo magega batarana chekina buna ningo baguche gusira asobachole obwo bakoragwa n'umuriki w'ekyombekyo Eric Amunga nigo batebire boigo baganetyo bocholi bochikobo bwekene amono bwasyoku asoboigo baganiria abasaye bamwabo gutiga gutumekwa na banasiasa asogoturubane omolembe ime yense ya Kenya nigo boigo bamuganirio mokonyi bomorai bwense Dr. William Ruto wesokya na gukwanera obacholi w'ikyama kya UDA obwakorwa litukulia Ramisi ewiki ya eta abwase abarwaniriri bande batanyara ko babagwisaneka na machibu y'obacholi obwo.
Vijana power. Thank you very much. My name is Eric Amunga. I'm the Secretary General of YFK, Youth for Kenya. And we are pleased with what has happened currently in Kenya. And we advocate for free and fair nomination. Even though we would like to say that some of our members by association from UDA, and they were infringed in a way that we don't like. And we condemn that in the strongest terms possible. And we are asking, because we are non-partisan, as YFK, we represent young people of Kenya. We want to ask the DP himself to come out clear on the issue that happened last week on nomination. Because for us, we are advocating for peaceful and credible election. So here I have members of YFK and also candidates from different political parties, of which us as YKF, we are campaigning for them, and we want to ensure that they get into political seats so that as young people of this nation, we have what is called representation, because we have been infringed for a long time, and we want to say enough is enough. Youth power. Power. Also as YFK, I want just to add before I introduce my members, my candidates from different political parties, that soon we'll be launching our delegates meeting, and for us we shall make also a decision when it comes to presidential endorsement. We shall be sitting down with those two leaders so that we can see who has the interests of young people at heart. Youth power. Power. So what we are asking for those presidential candidates to avail themselves so that we can scrutinize them as candidates.
Abarai baborokigwa ase university ao imeyense ya Kenya ababomerana ase omucho Nairobi nigo bono baganirie obachori oboke gose nominations bogendere gokoreka ase nchira yobwene no bwasioku korengana na abarai abo nigo batebire buna kira omokenya gose kira omurwanereria na wenerete kwa wali bagaria bene elio kwene kyabuna obwire ase obachori obogenderete nigo baigo babolire kiama gya Jubilee ekikiareganite gucha gukora obachori oboke banyare ko babakwenekia obotohereru no murembe eligotanga chiburaburu asensemo yababwatani bekiamekyo.
Sisi kama viongozi wa wanafunzi tukiwakilisha wanafunzi wenzetu pamoja na vijana wote kwa jumla wa kaunti ya Nairobi, tungependa uteuzi unaofanyika katika chama cha Jubilee kiwe cha usawa, huku wawaniaji wote wapewe nafasi sawa katika uteuzi huo.
We are saying let it be a free and fair process. Let us go to the nominations. Even if we consider consensus in our party, let it not be a sidelined consensus.
Aba MCA korwase county ya Trans Nzoia abo banyara ko babakubugwa asobocholyo bokebwe kiama kya UDA obwakoreka aramisi yanyara ko bakegweta litukolia rero nigo besokirie na kumubolia omorai we kiama kya UDA William Ruto wesokia na gukwanira enganejo asengencho nigo batebire obocholyo bwo nigo bwanyora twe amono boibi bwechikura korengana na ba MCA abo nigo batebire onye mbaligo cha gusonsorwa gosobo chole bomboli guchikuirorerwa senchira yo wasioku nigo bagocha kurigia ebiroge bibyabo wetera a senchira ya independent abwasibono baganire gosiborwa elio bachikurwanerera ekerogekyo nigo baigo babolirie obacholi bogocha gokoreka bu muiroro bwa UDA asensemo ya Sabot ime county ya Trans Nzoia wetenenerwa nabantu batali abaibi asobacholi bo abwase babolirie omokonyi bo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto kwenekya buna obacholi bo muiroro ngochibole gotenenerwa asenchira yobwene amano bwasioku.
Tasimama na wazee yule amesema kwamba mheshimiwa kama chama UDA hawezi kusikiza malalamisi yao pia na yangu wanampatia idhini kwenda kugombea kiti kama independent candidate.
So tunaomba deputy president kama lazima election sirudiwe Saboti on Tuesday. Hatutaki wakora wote, aite wabunge kina Ichungwa, kina Didmas, kina Kashagwa au jamaa wakuja wasimamia elections yetu ya Saboti. Sisi tutaki ene mkora yoyote ya Trans Nzoia. So tumesema kwamba kama uchaguzi wetu haitafanywa na hatutapewa uchaguzi ambao sisi wenyewe tutaona kwamba it is transparent, fair and verifiable, sisi kama aspirants wa Saboti tutachukua line mwingine.
Abaremi bekemerigie kawa korwase county ya Trans Nzoia nigo bono bakonyekire no murubiri bwa serikali enene gwetera ase wizara y'oburimi magagaye sekta ye kawa gose sekta y'oburimi konyora chilingi ebilioni yemo iyo gochego konya abaremi bekemerie kyo kwegendereria nigo boiga abaremi abo banyorira maigerio korwasa bo bisabo burimi nganaki bakwenete kurinda ekemerigie kawa na komentari gesa elira chiko bakonya asokonyore besa asimebuko yabo.
Quality inachangiwa na mambo mengi. Bila mkulima anatunza kahawa katika shamba lake, bila including even nutrition, kulisha, mambo ya control pests and diseases ina compromise quality. Wakati mkulima ametoa cherry, vile ana process, we don't do proper fermentation, ina compromise quality. Hiyo ni mambo mengi ambayo tumezungumza hapa siku ya leo, na tumeeleza wakulima vile wanaweza fanya kuhakikisha kwamba ile kahawa tumetoa shambani ikiwa mzuri, tunafanya proper processing, ndio tuhakikisha ya kwamba wakulima wetu kama ni kwa upande ya cherry wamepata hiyo AA ama AB, na kwa process coffee tupate hiyo class 1 hadi class 3, hata hataki class 4 ambayo ndio wakulima wengi sana sana wanapata hapa.
Kwa hii mradi wa subsidy tunapeana fertilizers, that is CAN, NPK, na pia tuko na agrochemicals kama vile foliar feeds, tuko na pesticides na tuko na herbicides. Hizo zote zinatumika kwa kuboresha quality ya kahawa yetu. Kwa hivyo mimi ninawasihi wale wakulima ambao bado hawajajiandikisha waendelee kujiandikisha, na zile cooperative societies ambazo bado hazijajiandikisha waendelee kujiandikisha.
Changamoto ambao wakulima wanapata sana sana kwa wakati huu, tuko na free market for coffee. So even the farmers are being misled. You can find that a korokoro of parchment, which is 2 kilograms, is akipitia kwa cooperative ana earn 800 shillings. Na akipita kupitia kwa hawking anapata 200 shillings. So that's a very big challenge kwa huyu farmer ambaye anastahili kuimprove mambo yake. Na 2, production iko very low.
Ekiombe kemogio kurwa bokonyi kurwa sense ya Germany amanense ya United States of America nigo baru etobokonyi ase county ya Nakuru abwase banyartwa bakwagacha ekirasi gya CBC asabana abake abo batali kwenyara boigo abwase ekiombe kyo kigakirine kirenga kyo gochagokinya ebirengo bya masomo asabana abo gekorenganiwa nabana kurwa se county chinde abalimu abaorokigwa amona baiboli nigo bairaniretie ngambi ya mono uchase kyombekyo asokwane kyabuna abana kurase county ya Nakuru ngo kibare konyora obokoreri bwa masomo CBC maegayo kwagachirwe kerasi gyekerero amone kyombekyo nigo boigo aba iboli bairanirie ngambi ya mono
ile. Kwa hii shule ya Live and Learn wameanzisha CBC classrooms, na hii itaweza kusaidia wananchi na wanafunzi wa maeneo haya, kwa sababu wanaweza wakasoma kwa njia nzuri, na wale ambao wamelemewa na hali ya masomo wanaweza kupata masomo katika njia ambayo inaweza kusaidia watoto wao katika maisha yao ya baadaye. Na tunashukuru sana shule la LLK kwa sababu ya kuleta masomo karibu na wananchi.
My name is Brick Tyner. I'm an American living in Germany, and I'm the founder and the chairwoman of Live and Learn in Kenya International, and also of the German organization Leben und Lernen in Kenya. Live and Learn in Kenya is a community. It's not just an organization that funds money. It's an organization that has built a community of...
So far we are doing well. Especially on matters to do with the new curriculum, the best competence curriculum, the CBC. They are very important, and we want to say thank you.
Na karatogo swasa mangana yebirubo ne chigosori nigo tokomanyo buna chimbero cha South Nyanza nigo chiakoreka asegeti ke University ya Kisii echo bale kuligia abanyangongo korwa se timu ya Gusii yego chakora etimu yake ego se timu ya Gusii yego chakuwakilisha abagusii ase chimbero cha Athletic Kenya asomocho Nairobi asegeti ke chigosori kia Kasarani abo ase omori ito bwa mangana ye chigosori Captain 001 agendera to gutwariganira robot yorwa senchira yobwe kiranu kigima ngana kichimbere chichakoreka kurende tikaturarigeria senchira yobwenge na raria yakoreka asegeti ye chigosori ya Kisii University.
Michezo mburongega ndete tunatwacha getu kurumambi twanyorera abana bakomyoka nonye turense kidogo abana mbye bakomyoka na ntwegenete na tomorrow ntonyole to kokora buya bono ntege nte korokolira abana bakomyoka ga abana abakibara abange bari school mbanyare gukora buya banyare kubwatu buya banyare korendu buya emyaka emekere mutwe intugocha kukwikana ndase michocho ya
majina yangu ni Dani Kanibogesi Manyara. Nyumbani ni Kebirigo katika kaunti ya Nyamira. Sana wanafanyia mazoezi sometime Ngong. Sasa nilikuja tu ili kuparticipate kwa track field event. Sasa nimeona Mungu amenijalia leo nimekimbia. Lakini after leo tena kuna challenges mingi tunaenda.
Ayo mona yanda mange korwa sensa moye birbo ne chigosori nto chakomonyora captain 001 no robot ya senchira yobo kiranu gekora nsemo yabono botuko kulinde ngwa kangambia mono asokuira chinga kicha onebero kuligereria Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge ngwa kangambia mono kirage gocha se producer yane omosubati Petronila Mokeira uyo nyara kobaga kwene kyabuna chibiche chioro chega bona maliogi awekera senchira yobotoereru olitobatra nakomo korwa sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nako yaletera senchira yobwenge ni wankoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echo chira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo